Hey guys, this is how you report when someone made a Facebook account pretending to be you, or someone made fake account of yours. So let's do it. First of all, go to that fake account that someone has created of you. Let's say this is the fake account of me, for example, and if I want to report it to the Facebook, that's saying that this person is pretending to be me and this account should be banned. So what you have to do is, after you go to their profile, tap on the three dot, go to this report profile section. From here, tap on the first option, something about this profile, and there is the option fake profile, and who or what is pretending to be, who or what is it pretending to be. So if this is a fake account of yours, so all you have to do is choose me and submit. Once you submit, Facebook will remove this fake account of yours from Facebook platform. This is how you do it.